Hi friends, welcome to Bonsai Kapilas. I'm Sailaja Kapila. Today we are working on jade plant. Jade plant is a succulent plant. Making succulent plants into a bonsai is a challenge. Jade plant stores a lot of water in their body. Because of that, cutting, pruning technique is very different from the other bonsai plants. Jade plants love lot of sun and well-drained soil for its healthy growth. When these plants are growing, they grow lot of branches in weeping style. They don't have strong branch to stand tall and to support the primary branches to stay strong. Sometimes it happens when the plant is growing in a shade. Today we are working on this plant by only cutting and pruning. We are shortening the branches and we are allowing the plant to have a compact growth. That is more important in this jade plant now. We are not going to wire the branches. Now we are removing soil around the trunk line at the base of the trunk line. So where the we'll see the how deep the roots are there, and now you can see the thickness of the trunk line, the character of the trunk line, how thick it is, how beautiful it is. That is more important. So we can expose the trunk line and show it as a matured plant. Once the basic pruning and the trimming is done, the plant is now attaining the shape of a bonsai. After this, we are cutting down the roots. So, we are keeping only 1/3 of the root system near the base of the trunk line, and we are removing 3/3 of the roots. roots. We are keeping this 1/3 of root system because the helpful bacteria present in the soil, helps the plant to settle down to the new soil quickly, and the survival chances of the plant will be more. That helps the plant to grow fast. Here, one of the thickest branch is removed because it is obstructing the style of the bonsai. So that's why we removed that one. And now that cut is there, that is exposed to the air. So there are chances of insect attacks and everything. So that's why we are using the fungicide, or you can use any sealant, paste or powder to cover that open area so there won't be any attack of the insects. That is more important. Now you have seen the plant is repotted into a bonsai pot. By simple cutting and pruning, how the shape of the plant changes, how nicely it is shifted into a bonsai shape. So now the plant is has the now plant is having the basic look as a bonsai. Now it is getting day by day, year by year, it is getting into a bonsai tree with the compact growth of leaves, primary branches, and the secondary branches. Thank you, friends, for watching. We'll meet you in the next video.